Hello, IG Garage family. Have you ever pushed your car to its limits and suddenly faced a check engine light with the code P0219? This code is a red flag. It means engine overspeed condition, and ignoring it can lead to serious damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0219 really means, show you the critical sensors involved, where they're located, and how to resolve the issue. Let's hit the brakes and dive in. P0219 happens when your engine exceeds its safe RPM limit. This can occur due to aggressive driving, a malfunctioning sensor, or a transmission issue. The engine control module, ECM, detects this and triggers the code to protect the engine. To understand this code, we need to focus on two critical components: crankshaft position sensor. It monitors the engine's RPM and is usually located at the bottom of the engine, near the crankshaft pulley. Transmission input-output speed sensors. These measure the transmission speed and ensure it matches the engine's RPM. You'll typically find these on the transmission housing. Inspect these sensors as they play a major role in triggering the P0219 code. How can you identify a P0219 issue? Symptoms include sudden loss of power or hesitation, the check engine light illuminated, and difficulty shifting gears, especially in automatic transmissions. Common causes are aggressive driving leading to high RPMs, a faulty crankshaft or speed sensor, and issues with the transmission or ECM. Here's how to tackle P0219. Inspect the crankshaft position sensor for damage or dirt. Clean or replace it if necessary. Check the transmission speed sensors for wear or wiring issues. Replace them if needed. Avoid driving aggressively to prevent the engine from overspeeding. Reset the code with an obd2 scanner and take your car for a test drive. And that's how you resolve a P0219 code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more detailed automotive solutions. Check out our video on P0501 to understand vehicle speed sensor issues, or P0003 for fuel volume regulator problems. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.